Welcome to the channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So right now I'm in the Wait a Bit area, right in front of Wait a Bit All Age School in Trelawny. So thank you guys for watching the channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. Yeah man, somebody in the Wait a Bit area in Trelawny. Big up on yourself if you don't know watch from yard or abroad. So always remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel. And if you learn something about this channel, you just can subscribe and like up the video free of cost. So take a tour of Fire Reid in the Wait a Bit area. So Wait a Bit is about 30 minutes drive to Christiana. Roughly about 30 minutes drive, and it can also be less. So guys, always leave in the comment section what you think about this area. And if you want some place for me to visit, you can leave it in the comment section. I will try my best to see if I can assist you all, but I will try my best, guys. So take a view of our beautiful Trelawny area in Jamaica, in the Wait a Bit area. Yeah man, Silver Street. So we are traveling on B5, Wait a Bit, Trelawny. On your right, you have the all side. Yeah man, so we are all side now. Yeah man, so now if you use up on the hand. Now if you look over them potholes, guys. Yeah man, so them places you can get no roast yam and no cooked food. Yeah man, so them road I carry straight to Albert Town. Stettin Road. bossy. Yeah man, so you see you have some good road condition and B5. Yeah man, so you have to use up on a horn. So you see we have a little bit of pothole in this area. So we have to look out for them potholes because we really want to chop the tire. Yeah man, you know the tire is very expensive. Yeah man, we think we're in a wire fence area. Yeah man, I'm supposed to call it a wire fence, you know. If you make the left turn, it will take you onto Penn Road. So guys, yeah man, on that drive of them place, I want to get a nice hillside view. See many different farmland with a lot of yam. man, so approach them curve and have a look out at them for them curve here. Yeah man, some very dangerous curve them here. Take no time, blow no horn. So guys, always remember to like up the video. Yeah man, like up the video for me please, free of cost. Yeah man, just to make the channel grow, so it can get to reach a lot of different people on the platform who overseas and want to see this area, long to see them area. So just share the video also guys. Yeah man, we have some bad road condition them say that too. So the bike guys, them have to be very careful. Man, sound up a thing is Fire Reid, but them know say I come on the road. On your left, I think you have the Albertown Health Center. Single lane traffic, so you have to watch it here, so. Yeah man, so if you don't know the road, have to be very careful. Yeah man, cause you can see a single lane traffic. So a person will drive on the road for the first time, so you have to be very careful. What if you're driving, say at night time, speeding in this area, don't know the road? So right now in the Stettin area. So it's a bit overcast in this area. So welcome to Albert Town, guys. Welcome to Albert Town. Yeah man, so welcome to Albert Town. Take a view of this area, guys. Yeah man, our sweet beautiful Jamaica, land we love. On your left you have the Albert Town High School. So thank you again, guys. Thank you very much for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.